Hi, this is Dr. Lennon, and we're actually just going to go over some Chapter 5 web files that correspond to the last two quiz questions, just showing how to do some time series data and talk about the trends. So this is the umbrella example on page 210, and this is actually just something we've done before. We've got it broken down by year, quarter, and period, and we just want to record the sales based on the time period. So we can highlight both and click just insert, and then we want to click line, and then click one of the possible 2D lines. If you want to see the points, let's click this one. So let's click this one. So the thing is, it automatically numbers just based on the cell numbers. So we don't want to see this line because it's just a perfect linear line that goes through 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So I'm just going to delete that one. And the one we really want to look at is the sales. And notice what this is exhibiting is it's exhibiting what we would call a seasonal pattern. Remember, if we want to change what this looks like, there are some options. So if you would click on this, on home, I think there are some options on which line chart to choose if you wanted to do a different one. But that's back in the original line chart video. The important thing to see is that notice we're getting recurrent behavior. So this is basically we get a high and a low and a high and a low. And this is very common. If you look at the data, a full year goes through 4 periods. So you're generally seeing a low point every 4. So basically, umbrella cells are not doing as well as in the winter, and they're behaving higher probably around springtime, as you would expect. So this is roughly a horizontal trend, not going up or down too much with seasonal behavior. Let's look at another example. So smartphone sales, this one's on page 211. So let's go to the Chapter 5 web files and click on smartphone sales. So it's this example, and again, we have the same sort of setup. So what we want to do is just form the line chart, and let's just click the sales in the thousands, because these all kind of repeat. So it'll give us the order increasing. So it'll go quarter 1, 2, 3, 4, and then quarter 5, which will mean the quarter 2 in the second year. So again, let's just insert a line chart, and I like this one, so we'll pick that. So again, we see something interesting going on. Notice we still have the down and the up once every 4. So we've got some sort of seasonal behavior, but notice this one's actually trending upward. So we'd say the trend is upward, but it still has a seasonal component of behavior. So those are some of the patterns you'll look for. And when you're looking at time series data, you're basically just looking at the values that recur over similar time periods. And these don't necessarily have to be in terms of years. In the book, they talk about, for instance, if you would look at traffic flow, that would have seasonal behavior on a day-to-day basis, because it would have a high point, around the 4 to 6 p.m. range, and it would have low points in the middle of the night, and then again, high points early in the morning. So seasonal behavior doesn't necessarily have to be yearly, but just that you have a consistent up and down behavior going along some consistent interval of time, whatever that may be. But okay, so that should help you out with the last 2 questions on the quiz. Good luck.